Welcome. In front of me I have Willful SW025 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the VeryFit Pro application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. And once you open the app, you will see the home page. Once you see the home page, tap on the device icon, and here you should see your watch on the device page. Now, find the unbind button, tap on it, tap on unbind. You will see this pop up on the on the screen of the watch, basically this connection icon. And also, if you see this pop up on the screen of your iPhone, close the app for now, open the settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here you will see the device called something like ID205S. Once you see it, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, tap on forget this device to remove it. And now we can go back to the app, tap on confirm, and the device will be gone from the device page. Okay, then we can close the app, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.